Shadows, it is super early, so I am not a morning person, but we are in the airport. We are waiting. We are leaving the Eastern European countries and we're heading to the west. We're heading to London. I'm super stoked. I got about an hour before the plane leaves. I'm going to try to take a nap and I'm going to try to sleep on the plane. But let's go ahead and get this day going. Alright guys. Hey Shadows, and good afternoon. We are having a late day start because the tour that I'm going on doesn't start till 3:30. So I am sitting right now in Kensal Green in the underground station, getting ready to head to Piccadilly, changing there, going to Leicester. We're doing the tour of Soho, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna grab some lunch. I'm a little bit early, like always, but I'm so stoked. I cannot believe I'm in London. I cannot believe I'm riding the underground. There's a lot of things I can't believe. I think we're gonna catch the next one just because I want to take time to talk with you guys. Sorry about the noise. Trying really to keep my budget down, so I just purchased a travel card for basically 40 bucks for 7 days, which is amazing. Yeah. So and trying to live on 10 pounds a day to eat. So it's gonna be challenging on average. Yeah. I'm super stoked. It's gonna be amazing. We're gonna wait for the next one because I've got plenty of time. And yeah, I'm in London, y'all. What? Seriously? So the Soho tour is basically going to talk about the music and art and that kind of stuff. So let's get this day started.